29 years ago, 11 months to the day, right here, that my mom had a request, one request. It was to have a granddaughter, and it was Sarah. When that happened, you only know that maybe she was a little spoiled, maybe a lot spoiled. Sarah's accustomed to having everything that she wants. So good luck. You're gonna need it. In fact, I was surprised she didn't ask me to help her cut the cake. So, no, all seriousness, from you becoming the Make-A-Wish kid to being part of our family, we're really excited to have you and your mom and everyone else part of our family, and we'd like to welcome you into our family.
I, Christopher, take you, Sarah, to be my wife.
I, Christopher, take you, Sarah, to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and honor you.
To love and honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
I, Sarah, take you, Christopher, to be my husband.
I, Sarah, take you, Christopher, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and honor you.
To love and honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
Sarah, receive this ring.
Sarah, receive this ring.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
It is a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And of the Son.
And the Son.
And the Holy Spirit.
And the Holy Spirit.
Christopher.
Christopher.
Receive this ring.
Receive this ring.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And of the Son.
And of the Son.
And the Holy Spirit.
And of the Holy Spirit.
It is my pleasure to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Christopher Anthony Marstow.
I've known since 17, you and me are meant to be, and I can't say I understand. I just wanna hold your hand. I don't believe a diamond rings guarantee us anything, but promises are always true. If I can't be there with you, then I'll stay till my breath goes away.
I remember when Chris first told me about Sarah and told me how beautiful, sweet, and charismatic she was. Despite only being around her for a handful of times, I could tell from our first conversation that he already loved her. Chris's road has not been one without challenge. From a young age, Chris had to step up and be the man of his family's house, and I know Sarah is in good hands as he now becomes the man of his new family's house. Instead of advice, I'd like to remind you of the sacrifices your mother made in spite of great hardship. Debbie's love, kindness, and positivity is a choice that she decides to greet the day with each day. Let her way of life be your daily model as you also choose love, kindness, and positivity.
When Chris had first told me about Sarah, I was still living up in Cleveland. But at this point, Sarah was just a soon-to-be girlfriend. Chris has never been early or rushing to anything in his life. So when he tells me that he loves her and he thinks that she's the one after just a couple of weeks, took me for shock. Sarah, ever since meeting you, it's incredible to being able to meet you. Chris has had a lot of strong men and women in his life, who's gone him through a couple of hard times throughout his life. And Sarah, you fit the mold for to be one of those strong women as well. You take a place in Chris's heart, and you guys are going to do a lot of great things together, just being the strong people that you are.
I remember the exact car ride as we headed to O'Charlie's for chicken tenders and margaritas that she told me about Chris. It was still fresh and new, but I could see the sparkle in her eyes. Chris, the first time I met you, I knew you would protect her, provide for her, love her, and always make her laugh, and I could not ask for anything more for my best friend. I wish the both of you nothing but love and laughter from this moment forward. If I leave you with anything, I leave you with this. If you keep God first and each other second in every situation, you will get through whatever life brings you.
I've known since 17, you and me are meant to be, and I can't say I understand. I just wanna hold your hand. I don't believe that diamond rings guarantee us anything, but promises are always true. If I can't be there with you, and I'll stay till my breath goes away. I will stay till my breath goes away. I'll stay. Didn't have to fight to find this love we now call yours and mine. Oh, this love is beautiful. Baby, you are beautiful, and I'll stay till my breath goes away. I will stay till my breath goes away. Till my breath goes away. I will stay till my breath goes